In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post on Squarespace. First, I want you to understand the power of scheduling your content. Whether you're managing a busy blog, running a business, or just trying to keep your website fresh, scheduling posts can be a lifesaver. It allows you to batch your work, plan your content calendar, and ensure that your site stays up to date without the daily hassle. Squarespace makes this process super intuitive, and today I'll guide you through each step to make sure you can schedule your posts like a pro. To kick things off, you'll need to head over to the Squarespace website. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned user, navigating to Squarespace is always the first step in managing your site. Once you're there, you'll find the login button. Click on this to move on to the next step. You'll see several options for logging in, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on using Google for a quick and easy sign-in. So, go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Now you'll be prompted to choose your account. Select the Google account associated with your Squarespace site. This should streamline the process by syncing with your existing information. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard. Here you'll see all of the websites linked to your account. Click on the website for which you want to schedule a post. It's usually as easy as finding the name of your site and clicking on it. Now that you're in, navigate to the Pages section from your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, from editing existing pages to adding new content to your site. Within the Pages section, look specifically for the blog post area. This is where you'll manage and create all the thoughtful and engaging content for your readers. Clicking on it will take you to where you can view all your existing blog posts or add new ones. To add a new post, find the blog content section and look for a plus icon, usually located near the top or bottom of the page. This symbol indicates where you can create new content. Click on it to start crafting your new blog post. Once you've clicked the plus icon, an editor will open up. This is your creative canvas where you can let your ideas flow, write your post, add images, videos, or any content you desire to share with your audience. Take your time here. The beauty of scheduling posts means there's no rush to get it right immediately. After polishing your blog post and feeling satisfied with it, look for the Publish drop-down menu. It's typically located at the bottom or top of the editor, and this is where you'll find the scheduling options. In the Publish drop-down, you'll see the option to schedule a future posting time for your blog. Click on it to access the scheduling feature. A calendar will pop up allowing you to select the specific date and time you want your post to go live. This is where you can align your post with your content calendar, special dates, or just whenever you think your audience will be most active. Pick a date and time that best suits your strategy. After setting the date and time, you'll confirm by clicking on Schedule. This locks in when your post will be published, automating the process so you don't have to manually do it later. Finally, after scheduling your post, click on Exit to return to your main dashboard, and that's it. You've successfully scheduled a post on Squarespace. Now you can relax knowing your content is set to go live exactly when you planned, without any further action needed on your part. Before we wrap up, let me share a quick tip. Consider revisiting your content calendar regularly to adjust and plan your posts. Consistency is key in engaging your audience, and by effectively scheduling your posts, you can maintain that consistency with ease. So that's all there is to scheduling a post on Squarespace. With just a few simple steps, you can plan your content in advance, giving you more time to focus on creating engaging material for your readers. Remember, a well-maintained blog is a sign of a vibrant, active website. So take advantage of scheduling to keep your site fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.